natin, alaguin po natin ang mga tungkulin. At ito po ay dapat po natin magkapalan. At ito po ay binigay po ng ating luwiga, ng ating luwiga sa ating mga liligya. Kaya dapat po natin itong kapalalayon. At ito po natin na makikita magiging hindi sa atin. Basta po ang atin lang tutuwin, gampanan po natin ng maayos at tunay na
So guys, we are playing MM2. We are playing MM2, guys. I don't have money because it's my first time. Who won? Oh wait, I saw someone won. I'm innocent. No. Like last time I got like murder first try for real when I joined the game, bro. What's this? Wait, let's see. Oh no, who died? Why are you not died? Wait, I can't go there. I don't wanna go there because I may die. So guys, I am an English speaker. If you're Filipino, I am too. I just speak English more. And yeah. Oh, I was almost out of the map. Oh, look, I'll go over. What? Why is it that color? Why is it a different color? Get me in. What happened? Oh no, I don't know what I got. I don't know where I go. Oh no. Oh wait, maybe I was from this. Okay, oh no, they might be the murderer. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, why am I lagging so bad? Oh no. Jesus. Yeah, I'm playing on a phone. Yeah, that was awkward. Let's see if I have more. Oh my god. Oh. Why is it always like those? So guys, let's spectate. Who's the killer? Who's the murderer, I meant. Victory, whoa! Oh, okay, sorry. Wow. Okay, why am I like that? Sheriff died. OMG, no, that was a cat. I love the cats. I'm gonna avenge you, cat. I love you, cat. I love cats. I'm gonna friend you. You like cats too, don't you? Cats, I'm just gonna follow you wherever you go. You go, I follow. I love you so. Where am I start singing? Okay, I'm just gonna sing the rest of this. If you don't like my singing, just click off the video. I actually don't know what to sing, so I'm just gonna stay silent. This video has been going for 4 hours. Jesus, where am I supposed to go here? I just didn't go to the murderer, right? Oh yes, he did. Isn't the murderer? Why am I stuck? What was that? Yes. I'm sorry. I just make weird noise when I'm so panicked. Bro, please. Bro, please. I'm making a video. Just saying that to my mom, okay? Wait, bro, please! Please don't kill me. Have mercy. Oh my god, sorry. My voice is so calm, but I'm literally panicked. Did I juke the killer? Or I meant like I played too much games. No, I just wanted. I hear them. Oh no, I am so cooked. I am cooked like a chicken. Here's the murderer, I think. No, she's not the murderer. Why did I do that? I was just like an The cat! The cat! I'm so sorry. Oh my god, the cat! I will avenge the cat. Where's the sheriff gun? I wanna kill the murderer so bad. You killed the cat! What? I wanna go free! You killed the cat. I can't believe you did that. I will avenge cats. No! Yeah, let's just kill this guy. I don't even know this guy. No! The cat died. Yeah, these are my friends. Are you my friend? I don't think you're my friend. I don't know you guys. What are these? Another vent? Are we Among Us or something? Sorry, that meme was like 2018 or something. I don't remember. Why am I not? Who is playing? There are so many people. Why am I not dying? I just want to die now. Like, it's so boring. And if I say that, I literally die. Like, bro, why do I have so bad luck? I'm following this girl. She's pink and I love pink. Oh, she is the murderer. Let's go. Who died? Didn't they die? Now let me free. Why did they let me free? So guys, the cat was sheriff. Oh, I hated this so much. Why? 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 Why did you kill the cat? Is the cat still here? No, the cat is not here. I regret doing that, so I don't. I don't. So guys, this is my username, Rebecca_246. God, this recording has been 8 hours. Jesus, so many people in this. Like, I'm the murderer for real. That's actually so good. I mean, good. But I can't do it in front of everyone. They will see that I am the murderer, and like, I just don't wanna. So, these are your footsteps. Where? I'm just trying to play innocent, okay? Stop calling me. This is a video, so yeah. Oh God, what was this? Wait, let's do that again. I don't wanna. No, I didn't do it, but at least okay. I don't wanna do it. I'm scared they might kill me because the sheriff is literally here. You know what? I'm leaving. I'm scared. Should I finish this recording? Let me know. Bye. Bye. Hello. I mean. Wait. Bye.